husband's
You're
back to
telling
his
me
foolishness.
You're not going to get the shirts because I won't pick them up for you?
Exactly. I'm not take it up.
You're right in front of them.
I'm not take it up. Why pick it up?
They're right there.
And?
And you can't pick them up.
They're
They're for you.
And?
They're for you.
Why pick it up? You pick it up. You take it up for me. I'm paying for it. You pick it up.
It's for you.
Yeah.
You're right beside them. You're closer.
I want mine change.
Your mind didn't change because if I grab it right now and say, here, do you want these? What are you going to say?
Yeah.
So your mind not change.
Yeah, no.
You're being ridiculous.
Maybe a boss.
Now that you said the word boss, now I can't get them for you even if I wanted to. You said boss, so now I can't do it. Regardless, I can't pick them up. Just to prove a point.
I get it at the mall and cash and go there and get it at the mall myself.
They don't have them at the mall.
Huh?
They don't have the ones you want at the mall.